Have you ever tried to grow sprouts? If you have, you know the hardest part isn't the sprouts, it's staying consistent. Rinse in the morning, rinse at night, don't forget, miss a day, and the batch fails. That's exactly why we built AutoSprout. Not to make sprouts better, to make them easier. AutoSprout is the world's first fully automatic sprouting machine, designed in Norway, tested in real kitchens, built for real life. You add seeds, you add water, you choose the program, that's it. The system handles misting, drainage, light. In 2 to 6 days, fresh sprouts are ready, right on your kitchen counter. No daily rinsing, no guessing, no mold, just food that shows up. This is the simplest way to make sprouts part of your routine, even if your days are busy. It's for people who care about real food, long-term health, and habits that actually stick. Whether you want better digestion, more energy, or just a smarter way to grow sprouts every day. It starts here. Grow your health, one sprout at a time.